Moving on, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has once again made a controversial remark while speaking at an online interview with Professor of Brown University, Ashutosh Varshney. While speaking on Indian elections, the former Congress president said Saddam and Gaddafi also won elections, but there was no institutional framework. We're getting you all the details in this report.
So Saddam Hussein and Gaddafi used to have elections. They used to win them. They were actually voting. It wasn't that they weren't voting, but there was no institutional framework to protect that vote. So to me, India is going to find out that it's actually much further down the curve than it thinks and that outsiders think.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi made this comment in reference to a controversial Sweden-based report which downgraded India to an electoral autocracy. Comparing Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Saddam Hussein and Gaddafi, he said the two dictators also won elections, but that there was no institutional framework to protect the votes.
An election is not simply people going and pressing a button on a voting machine. An election is about narrative. An election is about institutions that make sure that the framework in the country is operating properly. Election is about a judiciary that is being fair. Election is about a debate that is taking place in Parliament.
The former Congress president made this statement during an online interaction with Brown University's Professor Ashutosh Varshney. The remark has drawn harsh criticism from the BJP.
मुझे लगता है राहुल गांधी के टिप्पणी पर टिप्पणी करना ही बेकार है, क्योंकि वो कोई विचार से तो करते नहीं, वो शायद किस ग्रह पर रहते हैं पता नहीं, और इसलिए अब अपने देश के लोकतंत्र की तुलना गद्दाफी और सद्दाम हुसैन से करना, इसका लोगों का जो वोट देती है 80 करोड़ जनता, उनका यह सबसे बड़ा अपमान है, देश का अपमान है.
This is not the first time that Rahul has made a controversial remark. On March 11, he has said that India is no longer a democracy.
बहुत बड़े-बड़े डिक्टेटर से जो उन्होंने कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, ये देश का अपमान कर रहे हैं. देश ने जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में मैंडेट दिया है, ये लोगों का अपमान है. कांग्रेस पार्टी डजंट बिलीव इन डेमोक्रेसी. दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रूफ. People have given the mandate.
The opposition Congress is jolted by dissent of its G23 leaders. Is the party now making its pitch outside at the cost of the nation? Bureau Report, Republic TV.